Good morning, students. We will start a new chapter called Food, the Essence of Life. We'll start with the Tripadi of Kavi Sarvagna. Asiyade unabeda, asido matira beda, bisi kudi tangal unabeda, Vaidyanaga nase beda. Sarvagna. He tells us in this Tripadi not to eat old food or stale food, mixing with fresh food. Because food is very important. It is the basic need. We all do everything for food itself. So we should not eat old food. Should always eat good food itself. We should always eat good food. Good food. Food gives us energy for doing work. We do all the work by the energy given by the food. Food is necessary for growth, development, and good health. Food is necessary for growth, development, and good health. Good health is we know that food contains many nutrients in the food we eat. The nutrients of food and food materials are rich. It's been given below. We'll try and match. Fenugreek, carrots, sprouted seeds, fish oil, green leafy vegetables may be some of the sources of protein. Ragi, bread, honey, little millets, wheat may be source of carbohydrates. Groundnut, meat, fish, dry coconut, egg yolk, lipid. Cucumber, watermelon may give us water. Vegetable fruits, lemon may give us minerals. Cow beans, red gram are some of the sources of soya bean. Black-eyed beans are maybe some of the sources of vitamins. Here there are some food materials. We'll try and classify this into plant sources and animal sources. Plant sources and animal sources. Paddy is a plant source. Foxtail millets is an animal source. Meat is an animal source. Pearl millet is a plant source. Mango is a plant source. Cheese is an animal source. Ragi is an plant source. Ghee is an animal source. Egg animal source. Cauliflower plant source. Milk animal source. Fenugreek seeds plant source. Carrot plant source. Buttermilk plant source. Radish plant source. Buttermilk animal source. You should write plant sources in this column and animal sources in this column, and up you should match the following with nutrients and food materials. The most important sources of food are plants and animals. Whatever food we eat is from either plant or animal. We don't have any other source present. The food substances from the plant source are classified as follows: cereals, pulses, oil seeds, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. Cereals, pulses, oil seeds, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. Fruits, etc. Cereals, pulses, oil seeds, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, fruits. These are some of the plant sources. Here they have given many plant sources. Mango, brinjal, sesame, green gram, foxtail millets, amaranth, palak, groundnut, lemon, beetroot, fenugreek, sunflower seeds, sweet potato, red gram, jowar, black gram, orange, little millets. The food we eat consists of more than one nutrient. Among them, millets like foxtail millets, barnyard millets, kodo millets are the barn of nutrients. Our elders used to consume more of millets. Nowadays the consumption of these cereals which are considered to be healthy is reducing. Like I told, millets, the food we eat consists of more than one nutrient. Among them, millets like foxtail, barnyard, kodo millets contains lot of nutrients. Here there are some millets which can be used, which are very healthy and contains lot of nutrients also. Jowaro, pul millet, brown top, little millet, ragi, kodo millet, proso millet, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, etc. Millets we all know is healthy also and contains lot of nutrients. There are many other uses of millets also. Millets can be grown using less water in less period of time. They grow easily in different environment and climatic condition. This can be grown without using chemical fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides. These are called friends of famine. These cereals have lot of nutrients. Millets are very important. They can be grown using less water, less period of time. They grow easily in different environment, climatic conditions. This can be grown without using chemical fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides. These are called friends of famine. These cereals have lot of nutrients. Once again we will revise. Food is the basic need of life. It is the essence of life. It gives us energy to do work. What we should think about food, because food is necessary for growth, development and good health. Food is necessary for growth, development and good health. There are lot of nutrients in the food we eat. Our food should be fully nutritious. Next, we know there are different like carbohydrates. The main nutrients in food are carbohydrates, lipids, protein, vitamin, minerals, water, etc. Carbohydrate, lipids, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water, etc. These are some of the sources of nutrients, etc. Water, roughage, fiber is also very much needed. There are sources of food in plants also as well as animals also. There are sources of food in plants also as animals also. Animals also. Food here, nutrients not only help in growth, some repair the tissues, some help in bodybuilding and for being healthy. Nutrients have different, for example, carbohydrates are bodybuilders, fats provide us energy, carbohydrates provide us energy, proteins are bodybuilders, vitamins helps us to be healthy, minerals help in healthy bones and teeth and muscles also. Like this, roughage help in digestion. Like this, different nutrient have different things. Different nutrients have different uses. Millets are very important. These contains more than one nutrient. Among this, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, kodo millet, the born of nutrients. Our elders used to consume more of millets. Nowadays the consumption of these cereals which considered to be healthy is reducing. Millets have a lot of uses. They can be grown using less water, less period of time. They can be grown easily in different environment and climatic conditions. This can be grown without using chemical fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides. These are called friends of famine. These cereals have a lot of nutrients. We should know the importance of food. Food comes from plant sources and animal sources. Cereals ಅಂದರೆ ದಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಗೋಧಿ, ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಳುಗಳು, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಲೀಫ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಅಪ್ ಟು ಫುಡ್. ಇದರಿಂದ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. We should eat healthy food. and we should stay healthy. We should stay healthy also.